this is our tour guide. His
Yeah.
name is New, right?
Yeah.
This is New. He's going to show us around Hanoi and introduce us to some of the street foods. And hopefully it's really delicious. I know I'm a little scared to try some things, but it should be fun, right?
Yeah, no worries, be happy.
All right, let's go.
Do you want to eat the duck's egg with the baby inside?
We can try a little, of one.
Thế còn trứng, for example, if you eat the duck's egg with the baby inside, if you see the shape of the duck, but here just the egg, hết đầy đủ.
I can't believe I'm actually going to try this.
The duck's egg here, you can see the eyes, the mouth.
Wow.
Yeah. Here you can see, you can see the symbol. You can see here.
Where? Oh wow.
Yeah, the duck egg, maybe the egg only few days old. You can see we eat with the ginger and the herb.
I smell it.
Yeah.
So I'm just
Good
gonna.
smell.
Wow.
How do you feel?
Is that a leg? Is that a foot? What is that?
The wing
Oh, that's the wing.
and eyes. But
Oh,
it couldn't see.
no,
Just a
more.
few days old.
It's looking at you as you eat it.
Okay.
Yeah, come on.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, yum yum. Now really, you want one more? One more for you?
It's actually not bad.
We eat with herbs. You want to order more ginger? No.
It's actually not bad.
Good. Eat it all.
Yeah.
I can't eat it all. But it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, or as slimy as I thought it was going to be. They actually cook it through, so it's warm. In the Philippines, they have it inside of the egg and they suck it out, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is a little bit of a different style.
Yes, different style because you are in Vietnam, not in Philippines.
Yeah.
Same, but
Yeah.
different, right? You want to eat chili sauce? Anh ơi, công ty
That must be the chili sauce.
we call it bánh mì.
This is the banh
Bánh
mi.
mì. Yeah, later you can try it. Like steamed pork and dry meat, cucumber, pate. Yeah, and bánh mì, hot bánh mì.
Hopefully it's delicious.
Yeah.
This is sandwich is called banh mi.
You're nasty.
Hopefully it's a good sandwich. I guess I should just bite into it, right?
What do you think?
It's interesting. The French baguette is overwhelming, but it's good. The pork is very light taste.
Beer, by cheap price, $1 you get 4 beers. By the bomb beer, you can see
4 beers for $1.
$1 4 beers.
Wow.
But you know that the company only pay for you beer. You go to toilet, you have to pay by yourself.
Oh, really?
Because the toilet not free.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
KFC not going places. Yeah, and do you know that? Cheers.
Oh.
So
You can
this
see,
is
this is
What do we have
sticky
here?
rice.
Sticky
And what
rice?
do we have? Bacon, dry meat, steamed dry pork and steamed pork, pate, chicken, egg. What do you eat? You eat with salads. Yeah, David, he's eating sticky rice. And yeah, come on. Inside the one small restaurant, the local restaurant, we call Soy Inn, sticky rice restaurant. And here, what they have?
What is this here?
The dry pork.
This is dried pork.
Yes, dry pork.
Wow, it looks like fabric.
Yeah.
Wow. It's the coffee place.
Here?
Inside.
Inside. Yeah.
Have you been here before?
Oh my god, I cannot remember how many times. Because here they're very famous. See the hot egg coffee? See the iced egg coffee?
Let me go ahead and try this.
Yeah, come on.
Do I like this?
Yeah, doesn't matter. If you need to use spoon, doesn't matter.
Oh, that's rich. It's good.
It's strong, but a good smell.
Does it taste anything like eggnog?
Kind of. It tastes like eggnog coffee, but it tastes.
Can look the egg coffee, Jang, G-I-A-N-G.
Wow, that's very different.
Yeah.
It's thick. It tastes like thick coffee.
My god. You know many customers.
Yeah.
good.
How
It's
many
good.
pumps you drink? Already?
I
Oh my god. Are you sure? Come on, David.
It's my turn soon.
It's good. And it's pork, right?
Yeah.
Pork.
Cheers. The sauce is really good.
Oh my god.
The
fish.
White sundae.
What is it?
It's this haven't cooked fish.
Have not cooked. This is not cooked. This is raw
Tapeworm
pork.
2015. What do you think?
I'm afraid. Oh no.
No?
Very sour.
Like the rice powder with mushroom and pork. You can see she's cooked very well, very fast. Making video, come on. Bác mày trên YouTube nhé. You can see. Onion,
Rice?
mushroom, yeah, rice, pork, mushroom, onion,
Pork, mushroom, and onion all together.
all together.
Vietnamese really like the pork.
Yes.
Em ơi cho vào mang đi à?
Come on.
Mang về à?
So this is this is the end of our food tour. It was really delicious and new. You're the best. Bye bye.
The editor, the producer, the great one. Oh, you're recording.
Thanks again for watching, everyone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you really should. Also, links to my Facebook and Instagram are in the description below. Stay tuned for more summer fun videos coming soon. And don't forget to share. Thanks, guys.